It's happening silently. Every year after 60, your muscles shrink, even if you're eating well and walking daily. You may think it's just aging, but it's not. What you're experiencing is sarcopenia, a medically recognized condition where your muscles slowly waste away. Harvard Medical School confirms that adults over 60 lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every decade. That number climbs even faster past 70. And if you've noticed, difficulty getting up from a chair, weakness after carrying light groceries, wobbly balance on stairs, or unexplained fatigue during basic activity, then muscle loss is already affecting your daily life. Here's what's truly terrifying. By the time you feel it, you've already lost up to 30% of your muscle strength. And that's not just about being weak. According to Mayo Clinic and NIH, sarcopenia increases your risk of falling and fracturing your hip, losing your ability to live independently, developing insulin resistance and blood sugar spikes, and even premature death. But there's one more truth that few doctors talk about. You can rebuild muscle, even in your 70s, even in your 80s. With the right foods and the right vitamins hidden inside those foods. And there's one food that outperforms all others, clinically proven to stop muscle loss in its tracks. We'll reveal that food in just a minute. But first, here's the real reason why most seniors can't hold on to their strength anymore. Why walking and regular meals aren't enough after 60. You've been told to walk daily, to eat healthy, to get your protein, and yet you still feel weaker each year. Here's why. After 60, your body becomes anabolically resistant. That means it stops using protein the same way it used to. Even if you eat enough, your muscles don't absorb and respond the way they did at 30. You can lose strength even while doing everything right. Harvard research explains that seniors need more of specific amino acids, more vitamin D3, more magnesium, more leucine, and more omega-3s to trigger the same response. And without the right food combinations, your muscles stay undernourished. Now let's break down the muscle-saving solution, starting with one of the most overlooked daily nutrients that affects everything. Vitamin 1, vitamin D3, the muscle and balance vitamin. Most seniors think vitamin D is only for bones, but Mayo Clinic confirms that D3 is critical for muscle contraction, leg strength, and preventing falls. How? Vitamin D3 supports your neuromuscular coordination. It helps your brain communicate with your muscle fibers. If D3 is low, you feel shaky or unstable, slow to react, tired after short walks, at risk when standing up quickly. According to NIH, 70% of seniors are D3 deficient, and low D3 levels double your risk of mobility problems. Fix: you need 1,000–2,000 IU/day of D3. The best natural sources are wild salmon, sardines, fortified Greek yogurt, egg yolks. But if your levels are below 30 ng/ml, supplements may be essential. Get tested. Don't guess. Next, one amino acid that switches muscle growth back on. Vitamin 2, leucine, the muscle activation trigger. Your body can't build muscle without it, and seniors often don't get enough, even with regular protein intake. Leucine is an essential amino acid. It's the key that unlocks muscle protein synthesis. But after 60, your body becomes less sensitive to it. That's why many seniors need more leucine per meal to trigger the muscle-building process. Harvard Health states, a 30-year-old needs about 1.5 g leucine per meal. A 70-year-old needs 2.53 g to achieve the same result. That's why general meals don't work anymore. You need leucine-rich foods like whey, protein isolate, 1 scoop, shark 2.5 g leucine, eggs, especially whole eggs, grass-fed beef, lentils plus quinoa combo. Leucine deficiency, muscle shutdown. Fix: include leucine-rich protein within 30 minutes of light movement or waking to stimulate growth. Now, let's move to one of the most common hidden killers of strength. Vitamin 3, magnesium, the relaxation and recovery mineral. NIH calls magnesium one of the most commonly missed nutrients in seniors. Here's what happens when it's low. Your legs cramp at night, your sleep suffers, your muscles stay tight and fatigued, recovery slows down, your heart rhythm may become irregular. Magnesium supports over 300 enzymatic reactions, including nerve conduction, muscle relaxation, protein synthesis, and cellular energy. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults with healthy magnesium levels had stronger grip strength, faster gait speed, and less inflammation. Top magnesium foods: cooked spinach, lentils, pumpkin seeds, avocados, dark chocolate. Fix 350-400 milliliters magnesium daily. Magnesium glycinate is best for sleep and absorption. Still with me? Because now, here comes the food that puts all these vitamins together naturally. And it's not exotic, it's not expensive, but it's powerful. The most powerful muscle food for seniors. Whole eggs, yes, whole eggs, not just egg whites. Because the real power isn't just in the protein, it's in the yolk, where choline, vitamin D, selenium, and B12 are stored. Each egg contains 6G complete protein, 0.5G leucine, choline to improve brain-muscle communication, D3 and B vitamins to support recovery, healthy fats to balance hormones. A study from NIH in 2023 found that seniors who ate 2 whole eggs daily for 8 weeks increased leg press strength by 12%, showed better balance, had higher testosterone levels in men, and reported fewer falls egg support. Fasted muscle repair, mitochondrial energy, anabolic hormone balance. And unlike powders, eggs are food your body knows how to use. Fix: eat 2 pasture-raised whole eggs daily. Best taken in the morning with greens or avocado. Now let's finish with 3 more vitamin-based foods that complete the muscle recovery system. Vitamin 4, omega-3s. The anti-inflammation weapon inflammation blocks muscle growth, even if you eat enough protein. And omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, are your defense. A clinical trial by Mayo Clinic found that seniors supplementing with omega-3s had 15% greater thigh muscle retention, improved walking speed, showed reduced post-exercise soreness. Best food sources: wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, flaxseed oil for plant-based EPA precursors. Fix: 1,000-2,000 millimoles EPA plus DHA daily. Either from fish or high-quality supplements. Vitamin 5, choline, for faster brain-to-muscle response. Most seniors ignore this vitamin, but choline is vital for nerve conduction, balance, reaction time, and even memory and cognition. Low choline is linked to slower walking speed, instability, muscle misfiring, cognitive decline. Top sources: whole eggs, liver, salmon, chicken thighs. Fix: aim for 450-500 milliliters per day. 2 eggs, 300 milligrams. Don't skip the yolk, it's where all the choline lives. Vitamin 6, casein protein, for overnight muscle growth. Most people focus on what they eat during the day, but seniors lose the most muscle at night due to poor sleep and catabolism. Casein is a slow-digesting milk protein. It releases amino acids for up to 8 hours. A Harvard Health trial found that seniors consuming 30 grams of casein protein before bed increased overnight muscle protein synthesis by 22%, had fewer nighttime cramps, improved next-day balance. Top casein foods: Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, casein protein powders. Fix: eat 3 to 4 cup plain Greek yogurt with cinnamon and seeds before bed. It improves sleep and feeds your muscles while you rest. Final recap: your muscle recovery plan. You now have a complete vitamin-based roadmap to rebuild muscle naturally, even after 60. Here's your daily checklist. 1. Whey protein with leucine, right after waking. 2. Whole eggs with choline plus D3 for morning anabolic response. 3. Greek yogurt, casein plus calcium plus probiotics for overnight repair. 4. Magnesium-rich foods, lentils, seeds, dark greens for recovery and cramp relief. 5. Omega-3s, salmon, or fish oil, for inflammation control. 6. Choline-rich foods, eggs, salmon, liver, for coordination and strength. These are not optional at your age. These are foundational. Sarcopenia doesn't just steal your strength, it steals your freedom. But you can rebuild. With food, with consistency, with the right science-backed plan. Every bite is a decision, toward strength or toward the wheelchair. Choose strength. Start today. Before you lose more than just your muscle.